Good morning, distinguished guests on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. I stand before you on the 12th National Seminar organized by Engineers Welfare Forum, WBPDCL, to discuss the profound impact of artificial intelligence in thermal power stations. Having completed almost 36 years of my life in power plant operations, maintenance, erection, commissioning, we have gone through several phases. We have seen several developments in the era of this time period. You know, what is our basic, as a power engineers, our basic motto is to provide quality and reliable power supply to all our consumers, whether it's industrial or domestic consumers. Without power, without electricity, the development cannot take place. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना जो बेसिक 3 needs in life we used to tell, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान. Now the 4th need has been, it is bijli. We require electricity for everything, whether it is hospital, whether it is school, whether it is normal day-to-day life, electricity के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So the way the power demand is growing up in the country, we are almost touching 10 to 12% growth rate. So such a vast growth rate. Already this year we have seen almost peak demand of 244 billion units. That is very alarming and very, I can say, encouraging also, because we met the demand. As power engineers, we met the demand. And today you can see, as madam was telling, हम लोग के बचपन में 6:30-7 बजे के पहले सब खाना पीना खत्म करके सोने के होता था. And we used to light lanterns and to read the further. आजकल तो ऐसा तो नहीं है. 24/7 power supply तो है. For ensure the reliable power supply and quality power supply, the artificial intelligence will be a big help to us. Because how do you ensure reliable power and quality power? First, we need to ensure the availability of the plants, availability of the units. The unit should operate reliably, continuously, and 24/7 basis. Then we need to operate them efficiently, because every rupee, every paisa counts. Whatever thermal power plants, if you say the coal is the basic input, what is the basic input? You can say human resources. Every paisa counts. Whatever the input we give and what profits we are getting out, at what efficiency we are operating these plants, all these things count. And how do you operate efficiently and effectively? We need to have predictive maintenance technologies and condition assessment technologies. And these will all be done with the help of the AI, which is already in full swing, I can say. We come across various companies who provide these type of service, asset management systems, predictive maintenance technologies, all sort of things. So this definitely artificial intelligence is going to help us in these aspects. Secondly, AI enhances energy production by optimizing combustion processes. That's what I was telling. The coal is a very precious commodity as in today. And you can see RE also, we are tremendously growing in renewable energy. And it is during the day, you can see the sunlight is bright and we are getting the wind power also into the system. So our thermal power plants has to come back onto the technical minimum load. दिन में technical minimum load, रात को peak load. You can see the way power plants has to operate. What is the life-threatening aspects to these power plants? Because all the power plants, there is a design aspect is with the base load operations. Thermal power plants की बात कर रहा हूँ. Other than that, hydel power plants, they gas turbines, they can meet the peak load demands. But the normal load, base load, which is the crux of the issue, is the thermal power plants are meant for operating in the base load. However, the need of the hour is with the induction of this RE during the day, power plants to come back onto 55% as on today. But we are talking about bringing them to 40% technical minimum load. Operating power plant at 40% technical minimum load is extremely unthinkable few years back. Now, with the help of AI, yes, we are at least started thinking, yes, we need to operate these power plants in 40%. And maybe a day, we may have to operate 2 shifts. 2-shift operation may also be there. So with such type of requirement, AI will definitely help us in these aspects. And then on the flip side, we must be aware that the technology comes with some sort of threats. Mainly, as Madam was telling, it is cyber security. Because now artificial intelligence opens up the gate, so we need to protect our systems from these cyber attacks. So this needs to be borne in mind while using these technologies. Another aspect is considering the potential job loss. I don't think so much. I will not agree with this, because we have seen how the technology advances during the years, and job opportunities are growing. Nobody is getting, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि job किसी का चला गया. From some form of other development gives the jobs, whether it is with the help of AI ho या किसी से भी. But we need to train the people. That is most important aspect. The need of the hour is training the people to meet the requirement. हम लोगों को market में the required technical people should be available, required trained people should be available, for which we need to impart training in these areas. Then nothing will be difficult on this. So in conclusion, while the advantages of incorporating AI into thermal power station are evident and increasing efficiency, sustainability, we must navigate the challenges with caution from cyber attacks. Striking the balance between harnessing the potential of AI and addressing associated risks is key to ensuring the resilient and future-ready energy sector. I thank WPDCL and Engineers Welfare Forum for giving me opportunity to say a few of these words. Thank you. Thank you very much.